Good day, everyone. We all are thrilled and fortunate to be a part of this science exhibition today and to get this platform to put forward and share our ideas and research work. It is absolutely wonderful. So, our project research is based on a revolutionary concept, a technology which can be used to aid people with hearing disabilities, understand and communicate with people conveniently. This concept is based on augmented reality, which can be seen as a dawn of next generation. Before getting into the concept and understanding how it all works all together, it's better to get to know about the base problem whose diagnosis is gonna be our main objective. The AR concept is used in all this is done primarily for the deaf people, so as to help them communicate with other people in such a way that hearing doesn't hinder the process. As a deaf person, one has to obviously face a plethora of issues in day-to-day normal life, be it talking and communicating with various people, hassle, relying on touch, difficulties in career prospects, misunderstanding caused by sign languages, or even slow communication. Deaf people have to suffer a lot. Here are the numbers to back their struggles. The problems have been mentioned, but now what's the solution? That's what our research is all about. Taking the AR concept as our pillar, we shall be dealing with assistive AR glasses, which use the augmented reality technology to aid hearing, improving convenience in communication, and usage of visual aid along with the speech to text API. Let's head on to the implementation part for getting an insight of the mechanism and procedure of this.
Talking about AR glasses, it is basically a revolutionary concept for a technology that can be used to aid people with hearing disabilities to understand and communicate people with easily and conveniently. AR glasses uses the concept of augmented reality, which is an interactive experience of the real world environment where the objects that reside in the real world are enhanced by computer generated perceptual information, sometimes across multiple sensory modalities like visual, auditory, haptic, somatosensory, and olfactory. So, not discussing much about the AR technology, let us dive directly into the working mechanism. So the working mechanism works like the microphone integrated into the circuit of the device captures the audio of the person who want to communicate with the user. The microphone captures the audio. Now it has to be noted that multiple microphones can be used to enhance the audio of quality of audio. Now the captured audio is sent to the silicon chip integrated into the circuit of the device, which converts the audio into text using a speech-to-text API software. Now we have the input and the output, but to bring our project into life, we use AR hardware using AR technology. Now to show how speech-to-text API works, we have written a Python script which performs the operation perfectly. So let us have a look on it and how it works. So it basically accesses my computer's microphone and then it can record my audio and then it returns it as a string or as text. So let us see how it works by I am running the program.
Good evening, sir. It's time to take some rest, or you could also go play if it's not too late. Hello, I am Noni. I am a speech recognizer. Speak a sentence or a phrase to test me out.
Assistive AR glasses. As you can see, it recorded my audio using my microphone and then displayed it as a text. So this can be used in our AR glasses.
This is the hardware of the project. You can have a look for it. Now let's discuss about the 3D model of our project. We applied the software Blender to execute this project. This is a spec of lightweight body. The lens is customizable. Camera and depth sensors are also there. Distance sensing technologies which typically measure distance. Microphones will capture the audio of the speaker. In addition to this, there are batteries and computer chip too. Now let's move further to the AR projector. AR projector will project the text that is converted by the Python program speech to text converter, and the text displayed will help the deaf person to do an effective communication. Now let's integrate all the parts of the product to form a real world scene. This is a complete project. That is how the project will look like when it will come to reality. As you can see, there is a deaf person
wearing our AR glasses product. Now suppose if a person will come there to communicate with him, then the integrated circuit will convert the speech to text, and the text will be displayed through our AR projector. This is how the communication will be possible for a day.
The conclusion of our project. Hearing impairment is a complex disability. Its impact on quality of life can vary greatly depending on the degree and type of hearing loss. In this project, we primarily use visual augmented reality to display the words spoken by a person to real-time captions using a speech-to-text API, so to make the communication much easier. This research implies the willingness to integrate into hearing society is a key factor behind social inclusion of hearing impaired. That's all by us. Thank you very much. You can give us feedback in comment section.